honestly feel like my nose contour has never been better than on this picture. And like, I could never replicate it ever again. I also kind of stopped trying to replicate it because I got into my head that I need to be using cool toned contour for the nose. And while yeah, that is probably what you should be doing, for some reason I just really like this warm toned brown on me. But it is an eyeshadow. As you can see, it is so pigmented, so doing this technique is a bit of work. Like, it's literally like 30 minutes of blending and trying to make it look presentable. And like, who the fuck wants to spend that long blending your nose? Couldn't be me. And I think a reason why I stopped doing this sort of shape is because I look piggy nosed right now, and like, I hate to admit it, but I do not always trust the process. I know what I would do is I would blend it out a little bit with a beauty blender until it kind of feels a little presentable. And then, my friends, comes the powder. That is somehow not enough. You need even more. This is a pricey contour. I would also put it in the middle right here to highlight it. While it is bake, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, so I'll be back. And I am back, and time to remove this bake and reveal what it looks like underneath. I get how this is a lot for the average person, and I completely understand. I think this is so cute. I will also pick up some normal highlighter. I will be back with a full vision so that you can see it all together. Okay, I have returned, and this is what we're looking like. Isn't that kind of cute, right? I don't know, I still don't feel like it's as good as in the picture, and that annoys me.